Hello, Paul again here from EMD Motorsport. I've got VW Golf here with actually the customer complaining, our customers complaining was the actual engine shaking a lot on startup. So we have to, yesterday we removed pretty much everything out here as well to get to the actual gearbox mount. And here's the gearbox mount that we showed yesterday. So we just got the brand new one. We got a brand new one now. So that's the brand new one. And that's the old one. If you look at that old one, look at that. I can move it up and down. It's hard to see, but there's a lot of movement. I can move that one up and down, see? I can shake that. See how it shakes without me trying to actually move it. I'm just shaking it with my hand. There's a lot of movement here, and look at the gap there. Look at the gap between there and there. Alright, you can actually just go up and down like that. Now look at the brand new one. Here's the brand new one. I can't even move it anywhere. Can't even move it. Can't even move it with my finger. Can't move nothing. See that? And look at the gap there. I can't even move that up and down. Alright, so we've got gearbox mount and engine mount. We're doing it together. It's a pair. There's no point in just doing one and leave the other. So I've got the engine mount, gearbox mount. A lot of stuff I have to remove to get to the gearbox mount, but we're here at the moment, so just want to show you the difference between this one and the other one. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.